Hello everyone, welcome to Oma Fun Work. Today I have a brain puzzles for you. Let's see our question 1. What number should replace the question marks? So we have circle 1, circle 2, circle 3 filled with all numbers. Circle 4 we need to find. Can you find the logic behind these three circles and fill it in the fourth circle? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So the answer for the fourth circle 5, the top right should be 18 and bottom left should be 36 and bottom right should be 15. So let's see the logic. Top left is a third of bottom right. So if you see the top left we have, let's see the logic in the first circle. The top left we have 8 is the third of bottom right. If you multiply 8 into 3 it becomes 24, right? So this is the logic behind these two places, and bottom right is 3 less than top right. So if you compare the difference between the bottom right and top right, it should be the 3, and the top right is half of bottom left. So if you see it, the 27, double of 27 becomes 54. So this is the logic behind the circle. So like the same way we need to fill it here. So 5 into 3 becomes 15 and 15 plus 3 becomes 18 and 18 plus 18 becomes 36. So this is the answer for this puzzle. Let's move on to our next question. Which is the missing section? So we have 4 rows and you need to find the missing numbers in the third row and fourth row. Can you guess which option is suits? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So the answer is option B. If you see the logic behind each rows, so when you had the first 3 numbers, you will be arrived the fourth number. So 5 plus 2 plus 3 becomes 10. You are arriving 10. Similarly, the third row, 1 plus 9 becomes 10. 10 plus should come 2. Then only we will get 12. So this is the our option. Similarly, if we had 12 plus 15 plus 6 becomes 33. So option B is the correct one. Let's move on to our next puzzle. Draw the missing figure in the above sequence. We have first circle, then triangle, then diamond, then again circle, then Which image should replace here? Can you guess? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So, triangle is the answer. The sequence progresses circle, triangle and diamond with alternate horizontal and vertical lines. If you noted deeply, inside the circle we have horizontal lines. The next triangle image we have vertical lines, and next diamond image we have horizontal lines. So the next should be the circle with vertical lines, and then our answer is triangle with horizontal lines. Hope you got it. Let's move on to our next puzzle. How many hexagon can you find in this image? Can you guess? Let's see the answer. So there are totally 15 small hexagons and 6 large hexagons. Totally 21. So let me explain this. So we have in the first column 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagons. Similarly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The last shape is not a hexagon, it's a pentagon. So totally we have 15 small hexagons. Let's see the large hexagons. So if you see here, we have, this is our first large hexagon and this is our second large hexagon, and this is our third large hexagon. Similarly we have here, this is our fourth large hexagon and this is our fifth large hexagon, and finally this is our sixth large hexagon. So totally 15 small hexagons and 6 large hexagons. It becomes 21. Thank you for watching. Bye.